The C-130 Hercules, built by the Lockheed Martin. At 370 miles per hour, the Fat Albert Flight Pass.
I love you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Canton, Connecticut, Commander Adam Bryan. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Commander Jack Kilty. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Beaufort, South Carolina, Major Brandon Wilkins. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Freeport, Maine, Lieutenant Commander Connor O'Donnell. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into the pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. I'm Major Scott Wallace from St. Julie, Virginia. Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight industry, and the pilot, the key influencer and media personnel in all the flying industry space. Great, Commander Billy Montana from Vienna, Virginia, is the squadron equal flight officer and transport leader. Commander Bryce Aubuchon from Washington, Missouri, serves as the squadron's executive officer. Lieutenant Commander Natalia Lucetti, our maintenance officer from Mayajuez, Puerto Rico, is responsible for their men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying. From Jackson Center, Ohio, the Blue Angel flight surgeon is Captain Jen Bird. From Dayton, Ohio, our supply officer is Lieutenant Our financial management analyst is Mrs. Amanda Willenberg from Warrenton, Virginia. And our administration specialist is Mr. Aries Wilkins from Columbia, South Carolina. Back on the stick, flying the formation into the air. Immediately after liftoff, Lieutenant Commander Perkins will call.
Oh, here they go.
Commander Brian calls smoke on mics now, burners ready now, and the wonderful time of the show. The smoke comes on as Commander Brian calls for the deselection of Afterburner. Pulling through the hood and accelerates in the descent, they'll acquire the necessary airspeed to complete their next maneuver. Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel number 6 executes a precise low transition and pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity. As they perform the opposing knife edge pass. On that opponent. Ready, hit it. Configuration as they approach for a maneuver we call the Thor Toss. As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel, barrel roll! Angels 5 and 6 on their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide the slow speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the section